Never miss a loan payment and sometimes snag a discount. Setting up autopay for your SoFi student or personal loan is simple and smart. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your SoFi account online or in the app. Navigate to your loan dashboard. Find the Payment or Autopay settings. You'll link the bank account you want payments withdrawn from, SoFi checking or an external account. Choose your payment date and confirm. For some loans, setting up autopay might even qualify you for a 0.25% interest rate discount. Always check your loan terms. My crucial pro tip: align autopay with your payday. Schedule the payment for a day or two after your direct deposit typically hits your account. This ensures funds are always available, preventing a failed payment and protecting your credit score. Automate your debt payoff for peace of mind and potential savings. Do you use autopay for all your loans, or do you prefer manual control? For more guides on financial automation, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.